Hi, my name's Garry Garbutt. We're down here at the Vernon Museum to look at the clock from the Vernon Post Office, installed in 1913. The clock is from England, J. Smith and Sons, Midland Clock Works, Derby, England, and they're still in business, which I think is quite something. Clock was a very integral part of the community, and very few people even had a pocket watch, so it would synchronize kids going to school, workers starting work, shop keepers opening and closing, and it was quite a part of the community. It had a very large bell on it, over 800 pounds, so it could be heard for many miles. So there was an article in the paper that they couldn't find anybody to repair or rebuild the clock. And I phoned up the city fathers and made an arrangement with the museum. And after 23 months of making parts and hunting things down, I was able to restore the clock now as a skeleton clock, because obviously we don't have a stone building to put it in. So I'm just going to wind the clock here. I'll start with the chime mechanism. It's a pretty good workout, especially if you had 100 feet of cable on it, which would run for 31 days. So I'll just move over here now to the Clockworks winding. And that's a 60-pound weight on both. And there you have it. It's now wound. I'm just going to trigger the chime so you can watch the governor and listen to the sound of the bell. So here it goes. So this dial allows you to set the time, because at this position you can't see the hands and where they are. So you can say, well, I want to make it 2 or 3 minutes different, or whatever type of setting that you require. And the clock is highly accurate. It'll be within a few seconds. Most of the change occurs with temperature, winter to summer. So there you have it.